Corruption in Pakistan essay in English. Corruption in Pakistan. Corruption is one of the biggest problems facing Pakistan today. It refers to the misuse of power, position, or resources for personal gain. Unfortunately, corruption exists in almost every sector of our country, including politics, government offices, police, judiciary, education, and even business. It has damaged our economy, weakened institutions, and eroded public trust. Causes of corruption. There are many reasons for corruption in Pakistan. Poverty and low salaries often push people toward bribery and unfair means. Weak laws and lack of accountability allow corrupt individuals to go unpunished. Political instability and misuse of authority also play a major role. In addition, lack of moral education and greed for wealth have made corruption a common practice in society. Effects of corruption. Corruption has many harmful effects. It discourages foreign investment, slows economic growth, and increases poverty. Public funds that should be used for hospitals, schools, and development projects are stolen or wasted. Corruption also creates injustice, as the rich and powerful escape punishment while the poor suffer. It weakens democracy, destroys merit, and promotes inequality in society. Solutions to corruption. To fight corruption, strict laws must be implemented and enforced without discrimination. Transparency in government projects and financial matters should be ensured. Salaries of public servants should be increased to reduce the temptation of bribery. Independent anti-corruption institutions must work without political pressure. Public awareness campaigns and moral education in schools can also help in building an honest and responsible society. Conclusion. Corruption is a serious threat to Pakistan's progress and stability. If we want to build a strong and prosperous nation, we must unite to eliminate corruption from every level of society. Honesty, accountability, and justice are the keys to a brighter future for Pakistan.